You guys, this is my new go-to hairstyle. I got so many compliments. I wore it in 2 different styles in one day and I just love it. Let me show y'all how I achieved this look. Stay tuned. You know those 3-pack hair? I only use one of the three. Okay, so we'll go ahead and blow dry this out. So here you see me just pre-parting the hair. What I'm doing is parting the hairs and putting them into big like braid down plaits, not tight but really loose. This just helps me section off my hair so I can see what it's going to look like. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm laying this, let me show you what I'm using. Braiding gel. This is the brand that I use. I'm laying this on my parts so that I can make sure they're as straight as possible. You don't have to be as heavy product as I'm gonna be. I just want my stuff to lay really, really flat. Like the product helps you like create a straight line. And then I like kind of press the product in, smooth it out on both sides just to make sure my part is straight. Okay, so for this part, you're just gonna, I have like my pinch fingers when I'm braiding. I'm gonna add this little piece in here and I'm gonna pinch it and I'm gonna just lay it down to the side. Then I'm gonna continue braiding, but like I'm not pulling the hair with my braid, if that makes sense. I'm kind of holding it down so it don't move. Putting it in sideways to braid on top of it. That's the best way I can describe it. Like if you look at this, it's sideways. Okay, and when we get right here, this is where we're gonna add in, so you can go back and see. So I'm about at the edge, so I got my pinch fingers again. Just flip it, take that hook, put it under the hook, which is a pinch, and keep going. This is where I kind of like start doing like a tuck method of a braid. Tucking it, like going in really tight. So here, you can add a little product like if your hair is straight. I haven't really added no product at the end for some reason, but it's kind of like boho, so it doesn't have to be just too neat. Alright, I just wanted to make that defined. So taking my hair, putting it upside down, the straight side, down on top of the braid. Putting it in my little pinch fingers, pinching it. Moving my hair up, the curly hair out the way. So then let me just continue braiding. Okay, so now I'm going to my outside braid. This is the one I'm going to use this little piece of hair at the beginning because like I told y'all, it's not as thick. I mean it is, but like, I don't know, it just helps me grip it better. So like it can be kind of gripped like that side is. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with a braid, a little, like maybe 3 braids to the scalp, and then I'm gonna add in the hair. And again, the way I'm adding in the hair is, I like to call it like I hook the hair in, or you can, like when it's right there, when you got that little pinch, that's when I grab hair and pull hair in. So that little pinch, I take the hair that's left out, put it on top of that, put them together, and then I take it under and I just braid in. That is like, it's multiple ways to explain it, but everybody learns differently. It took me a while, so that's not to discourage you, but it took me a while to like get comfortable with it. So now it's kind of hard to explain it, but I just know like I rely on the pinch. Like when you get that pinch to come up, that's where you can add the hair in. Braided hair also helps make the braid neat, and it kind of helps you grip. And I'm kind of looking at like how I did this one, because I want everything to be alike, okay? Let me add some more product because I want it slick. Where it's time to add in hair, so as y'all can see, my little clippers is coming up, so now that's where I can add in hair. I'm gonna hook the hair in the clippers, okay? And then you see, I got my add is my real hair. I'm just gonna continue the braid. I got my clippers again. Add that in, keep braiding down. Where I'm gonna add a little bit of product because I ain't blow dry my ends out enough for me. Okay, so this is where I kind of started to do like a little tuck braid, right? Because I don't want my braids going out. I want it to kind of curve in, so I'm doing like a tuck method. So you can also add in your curly hair. I like to straighten that out. Pointy side goes down. You're gonna feel it move a little bit, but just grab it and continue going down. If you sew, then you know, but wrap it around your finger, make a loop. You see, I made a loop, and then I'm tucking it underneath and pulling it through. That's it. And you can do that twice to make sure it stays in place. This is for when you go to dip your hair. It'll be, it won't move. It won't move. It don't move. Yeah. What's that? Pinches. Yeah, by the time this video over, y'all gonna have like 4 or 5 names to remember. So there's no reason to not remember how to add in this hair. I done call them crab fingers, pinches, clippers, all kind of stuff. Whip that hair, get them hands right with that. Take your pinches, clip it in, like so, like that. You got your pinch, and then you gonna tuck it. Spread it out. I got my pinches still, got my other hair. Lifting it up, putting one finger through, grabbing the other one, pulling it through, putting it down, taking another one, flipping it over, my pinches again, pulling it through. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm wrapping the hair. So I'm using the white perm rods, and instead of doing like a whole braid, I'm splitting them. So each braid is gonna have 2 perm rods or 2 curls coming out of it. It just gives it more curl or whatnot. Bottom, I put it at the end, wrap it around. The way I'm doing it is I'm twisting it when I wrap it around. So I'm twisting the hair. Alright, so now I'm going to take all of the curly hair, because this is not human hair. Take all of the hair and put it up. So I'm just going to pin it together in tail. I'm going to do that to both sides. So all of the hair, the fake hair is out the way. So I'm just going to dip it. One layer. 2 layers. So they kind of feel dry now. So that's the bounce that I got. I did this hairstyle so that I could wear it in 2 little knot buns, but like now that I have it down, I like it like this too. You guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you want more detailed videos like this. If you just want vlogs, just let me know, because I need content ideas. I need to know what y'all want to know and what y'all want to see. So until next time, be blessed. God loves you, and do what makes you happy. Bye.